How to create a checklist in ClickUp 2025. In this video, I'm going to be quickly showing you on how you can create a checklist in ClickUp in the easiest and most simplest way. So to do this for yourself, what you're going to be doing is, first of all, you're going to make sure that you're in the main ClickUp section. Okay. So once you're over here, basically what you're going to be doing is you're going to go over to any task, right? So let's say I'm going to go over to this task right here. Now, once you go over to this task, what you're going to do is you're going to scroll down to where it says create custom fields. So we're going to click on that. And once you click on that, right over here is where they're going to give you this checkbox icon. So you're going to click on checkbox and let's give it a field name. Like, let's go with what time will task be done? Okay, we're going to write in something like that. And obviously it's in a checkbox format, right? So as you can see, we have the first checkbox over here, and obviously you can go ahead and increase the amount of checkboxes that you want. Okay, it depends on you on however many checklists or checkbox you create. And you can also go ahead and add a new custom field for yourself, okay? And it could be used in the form of a drop down, or it could be used in the form of a proper checkbox. It depends on you on whatever you want to go with. So basically, this is how you're going to be creating a checklist or a checkbox for yourself in ClickUp. So thank you for watching this video all the way till the end, and I'm going to be seeing all of you in the very next video. Have a great day. Goodbye.